Welcome back to my channel, Makeup's My Magic, as you know. If you don't know, you do. That is the fastest I've ever said anything without stuttering or messing up. Okay, so, welcome back to my channel, Makeup's My Magic, as you do know. If you don't know, now you do know. Now you actually understand what I said. So today, I'm going to be doing a makeup that I thought of last night, so I have no idea how this is going to turn out. So we're just going to see. And excited. I have no eyebrows. As you can tell, I blocked them out with a glue stick, and if you want me to make a video on that, please let me know in the comments down below and I will be happy to do that for you. Okay, let's see. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video if you did, and comment down below if you want me to show you a video on blocking out your eyebrows. Now, without making this intro too long, let's get right into the makeup. And can I just point out that, oh my god, am I making another video, like, more than one video a year? Oh my god. Like, I just uploaded my drag makeup video and now I'm here doing another. That's crazy. Also, I'm priming my eyelids with this Wet n Wild eye primer. I really like it. Also, real quick, I just want to point out I already started this video with my base done because I figured, I mean, it's not that important to see. And I will link, I won't link, but I will tell you everything that I use in the description box below. Alright, so I just went ahead and did this eye off camera just to know what I was doing. I did not do eyeliner or mascara or brow on this eye yet. I will do that at the end when I finish up this eye. So now I'm going to show you what I did to do this on this eye. I'm going to start by taking the Alyssa Edwards palette and using the shade Brick Road, which is yellow. I'm using this little brush that is by e.l.f. and just like a card, like a business card, to get that nice sharp line right there. I'm just going to take Brick Road and put my card right here, and then just pack on the color. Now, one thing that I love to do when I don't have eyebrows like today is just blend the eyeshadow up really high so it looks more dramatic. I'm now going into the Alien palette and using the shade Abduction, which is like this lime green shade. And I'm just putting that color right next to the yellow, like right on the brow. I'm now taking the shade Dream It from the Alyssa Edwards palette, and that is the blue, and putting that right next to where I put that green. I'm now taking Star Power from the Beauty Killer palette and doing the exact same thing right next to the blue. Now with Star Power, I'm actually also bringing it more in here and then sweeping it just a little bit above the other colors on the brow. I'm now going to take the Androgyny palette and go in with the shade Military, which is like the military green color. And once again, going to be taking my card, dipping into that shade, putting the card where I had it before, and then just putting that right on top of the yellow and blending it up, but still being able to see some of the yellow above it. I'm now taking the shade Poison and putting that right in the crease along with Military. Right there. And I'm bringing that down towards the lid a little bit more as well, and also blending it up with Military. I'm now going in with the shade Swallow, which is the dark blue, and doing the exact same thing with that one. I'm now dipping back into the Alien palette with the shades Abduction once again and Flying Saucer. I'm putting Abduction right back in the crease where I had it. And I'm also kind of blending it with the other colors right next to it. And I'm also taking Flying Saucer and putting that in the crease and blending it just like I did with the other colors. I'm now going back in with the Alyssa Edwards palette and using the shades Dream It and Believe. I just put Dream It right back in the crease where I had it, and I'm putting Believe right underneath it and blending it up into it. I'm also taking the shade Area 51 from the Alien palette, which is also a purple, and I'm putting that right in with Believe. I'm now taking Texas Made from the Alyssa Edwards palette and putting that right in where I put Star Power. And I'm also taking Believe once again and blending that in with it as well. I'm now just taking this Anastasia blending brush that came with the palette. This is actually a nice brush. And I'm just using this to blend out the top just a little bit more. I'm now taking a flat brush and some white concealer and just making that line look nice and snatched. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing I did up here on the lower lid. I'm now taking the shade Black Hole from the Alien palette and just putting a little bit of that in the crease just to darken it up a teeny bit. I'm now going to carve out my lid with white concealer. I'm now looking at it and thinking maybe I should have just left the lid white because it looks kind of cool. You know what? I have an idea. I'm now going in with the shades Probe, Alien, and Space Cowboy from the Alien palette and packing that right on where I put the white. Now before I forget, I'm going back into the Beauty Killer palette and taking Princess, which is the shimmery pink, and putting that right in the inner corner. I'm now going to put some black pencil liner in my waterline. Now I'm taking a white eyeliner and I don't know how to describe it, so I'll show you when I do it. I just put it right in the crease just like that. Now I'm going to end off this video by just putting on my contour, highlight, lipstick, mascara, and eyeliner. And I'm done.